In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Substack. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your posts and help readers discover related content. Think of them as labels that group similar articles together, so someone who loves your writing on a particular topic can easily find more of it. First, open Substack. Head to the homepage in your browser and make sure you're on your publication. From here, you'll start a new piece so we can add tags to it. Next, click Create. You'll usually find this at the top or in the main navigation. This opens up your content options so you can choose the type of post you want to make. Now click Article. This takes you into the editor where you write your post. Don't worry if your draft isn't finished yet. Tags can be added at any point during the writing process and adjusted before you publish. Look toward the lower right corner of the editor and click Settings. This opens a panel with post-specific options. If you don't see it immediately, it may appear as a small gear icon. The goal here is to open the settings area for the current article. Inside the settings panel, click Add Tags. This brings up the tagging field. Tags help categorize your post by topic, theme, or series. They're also used by Substack to recommend content to readers browsing similar subjects, so choosing clear, relevant tags really matters. Now, create your tag. Type a short, descriptive word or phrase that captures the main topic of your article, things like productivity, film reviews, or beginner tutorials. Keep each tag focused and avoid overly long phrases. If you see an existing tag that matches what you need, select it to keep your tags consistent across your publication. You can add more than one, but aim for a small set that truly reflects the content. Consistency over time will make your archive easier to navigate and help new readers find the right posts. When you're happy with your selections, click Done. This saves your tags to the post. You'll typically see them listed in the settings or attached to the article metadata. From here, you can continue writing or come back later to refine the tags before publishing. Remember, good tagging is about clarity and usefulness. Pick labels your audience would naturally search for. That's it. You've learned how to open Substack, start an article, jump into the settings, add your tags, create the ones you need, and confirm them. Use this workflow for every post to keep your publication tidy and discoverable.